is musical instrument and singing haram mutlaqan, or are there any exceptions? See, the duff is allowed. Singing, if you are singing the poetries without the music, which can help you in your day-to-day life, or can bring you relief and peace, then that's fine. There's no 100% anything you can say, okay, this is haram, this is totally haram. There are musics which will play as a magical role on you, hypnotizing you. That's haram, definitely. This is not from Islam, this is from shaitan. And also singing songs. Sometimes when you are too much into singing song, when you are praying your namaz, you will be singing songs. I know all these people, they're thinking they are very great, qaris and nasheed artists and this and that. And subhanallah, even in their salah, believe me, even I can say that if they deny, there is between them and Allah. But I know many of them, even in their salah, they are, thinking of the nasheed. This is haram. This is haram. Everything has got its position. Everything has got its, place. So when you talk about dancing or music and songs and all this, subhanallah, Naat and Qawwali, these Naat and Qawwali of today, well, who, all these things are. And subhanallah, when you give the permission to the Naat, I have seen on TV, the women are coming on the TV and they are fully with makeup and all that, and then they will do their, tune and rhythm and all that thing. Subhanallah, I don't agree with that.